All right, my people. 15 minutes. Let's try to do it. Try to stay in it with whole time. Try to move with me the whole entire time. All right? Start off. Knees up. Nice and easy. Okay? Just get those knees up past your waist. Knees up. Good. 4, 2, 1. All right, a little faster. Get them up. It's like you're marching. Get them up. Up. Up past your waist. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now faster. Good. 2, 3, 4. Get them up. 5 to your waist. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Jumping jacks. We'll go for a 10 count. Go. 9, 10. Good. All right. I'm going to go sideways. We're going to do a lunge. And let's just step forward. You're going to bring that back knee as close to the ground as possible without touching it. And then back up together. And then you're going to alternate. The other one. Forward. All it is a step. Knee all the way down. Back up. Together. Step. Down. Together. Step. Down. Up. Together. Step. Down. Up. Together. Step. Down. Up. Together. Step. Down. Up. Together. 3 more. Step. Down. Up. 2. Step. Down. Up. Step. Down. Up. Together. Last one. Step. Down. Up. Together. Good. Now we're going to do a lunge jump. So you're going to be in that lunge position, and when you jump, you're going to switch. Okay? You're going to switch. All right? We'll go 10 count. 10 count. And go. 1, 2. Swing those arms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 8, 9, 10. All right. Let's go with them squats. So feet are going to be shoulder width apart. Arms out to the side. It's like you're bending all the way down. You're going to bring your elbows, let me show you sideways. Elbows down to your knees. And that's 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down. 10. Good. Now we'll go squat jumps. So same thing. You're going to go down, and then you're going to jump to the side. So it'll be here, down, down, down. All right? We'll go for a 10 count. 10 count. And go. Here we go. 1, 2. Get down. Get those elbows to your knees. 3. Good. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. All right. We'll go with, kick it out. Jump ropes, 2 feet. 2 feet jump ropes. Go. 8, 10. Good. Stay with the jump ropes. Now we'll alternate. We'll go back and forth jumps. Back and forth. Jump ropes, back and forth. Go. 9, 10. Good. How about side jumps? Staying with the jump ropes. Staying with the jump ropes. We'll go with side jumps. Side jumps. Go. 7, 9, 10. Good. How about back and forth? So 1 foot forward, 1 back, and we'll jump that way. We'll jump that way. All right? And I'll stay sewing you sideways. And 3, 2, 1, go. And good. Stay with the jump ropes. 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. Go. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Good. Other foot, other foot. And go. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Good. All right. Now we'll go mountain climbers. We usually do those on the floor, but we're gonna do standing mountain climbers. So it's your knees are your legs are gonna be moving like so. The arms are up, and as you move, this is gonna be the movement. So go nice and easy first, so you understand the movement. I'll show you sideways. Up, reach, 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 reach. Reach. All right, double time. I'm gonna go a little faster now. 10 counts. And go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. Next one. We're gonna go start to run. So you're gonna get them. I'll go sideways so you can see. It's kind of like your lunge position where 1 foot is forward, the other is back. And then whatever foot is forward, you're gonna take the opposite hand, you're gonna put it down to the floor. Kind of like a running start. You know, a lot of people like to start running this way, and then we go. So it's gonna be just like that. But when I say go, you're gonna run right into your, we'll go 5-second sprint. 5-second sprint. Okay? So, starting position. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Other foot. Start the other way. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Back to the first position. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch it up. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep going. Keep going. Don't quit on me. And go. 1, 3, 4, 5. One more. Other foot. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right. More jumps. So these are called twist jumps. I'm facing one way, and when I jump, I'm going to face the completely opposite way. So I'm going to do a 180-degree turn. So it'll be here, jump, and I go to the side, and then I'll jump back, and I'll go the other way. If you can't make it around, all the way around, swing those arms. Swing that top of your body, and that'll help you twist your body and turn it. Okay, so we'll go with 10. We'll go with 10 jumps. Here we go. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Kick it out. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Kick it out. Nice and easy. Whew. Couple minutes left. Nice and easy. Okay, kick those out. If you're really getting tired and you're breathing in deeply, get those arms up above your head. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right, double time. Now fast. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Jumping jacks. Back to jumping jacks. Go. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. And jog. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Good. Couple more minutes. We'll go side jumps again. This time you don't have to go all the way down like our squat jumps, but we are going to move side to side. Okay? You're going to switch your feet. So wherever, this is my right foot. My right foot's on the ground. So when I say go, I'm going to bring my left foot to that one, and I'm going to move over here. So if I do it slow, it'll look like this. Okay? But we want to hop and do it quickly, so it looks more like this. So my feet will never really touch. Okay? But they're going back to that spot. Alright? So we'll go back and forth 10 times. Back and forth 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Forward, back. Quick feet. Quick feet. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Quick feet. Forward, back. 1 foot forward, 1 back, and then you're going to switch. 10 count. Almost done. 10 count. Go. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Jog. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, all right. We have 2 minutes left, so we'll do a cool down. Usually I take you all the way into 15 minutes, and then I cool it down. But I want to try to stay true to the 15 minutes. So we'll use the last minute and a half now to cool down. Up. And let it out, all the way down. Up. Those arms up. Breathe in through your nose. On the way down, we will let out our mouth. And up. Don't go down this time. Good. Nice and easy. I'll show you sideways. You're going to bring that knee up. Squeeze and switch. Squeeze and switch. Squeeze and switch. Squeeze. Switch. Squeeze. Switch. Squeeze. Switch. Now this time when you squeeze, try to stay up there a little bit. Squeeze. Good. Other one. Squeeze.
In uncertain times.
Good. All right. Now back. Nice and easy. Easy. Nice and easy. Alternate. Back and forth. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now hold it. Try to hold. Stay your balance. 2, 3, 4, 5. Other one. Up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right to the middle. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other way. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Perfect. Perfect timing. That was 15 minutes. Now that one really should have made your body get going on that one. Sweating. I don't know why this never turns off for me. Sweating, breathing a lot harder. Make sure to drink your water after your little workout. Keep washing those hands. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.